Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will solve this problem step by step and learn a simple method to find x from this given nice math problem. 5 raised to power s plus 5 raised to power x is equal to 40. Let's begin. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Then we have the given equation 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power s is equal to 40. Then here you can see that 5 raised to power s is common. Let's bring it out. We have 5 raised to power s bracket. This 5 raised to power s divided by this 5 raised to power s. This is 1 plus this 5 raised to power x divided by this 5 raised to power x. 1 is equal to 40. 5 raised to power s multiplied by 1 plus 1. This is 2. Is equal to 40. Let us divide the whole of this equation by 2. 5 raised to power s multiplied by 2 divided by 2 is equal to 40 divided by 2. These 2 cancel these 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 20. 5 raised to power x is equal to 20. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 5 raised to power s is equal to log 20 if you use general logarithm method. Then take note of this, that if you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. Then we have s log 5 is equal to log 20. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by log 5. X is equal to log 20 over log 5. But 20 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. X is equal to log 4 multiplied by 5 over log 5. X is equal to log 4 plus log 5 over log 5. And if you split this, s is equal to, the numerator can be written as log 5 over log 5 plus log 4 over log 5. This log 5 cancel this log 5. X is equal to 1 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 square over log 5. X is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over log 5. Then if you have log A over log B, this can be written as log A base B. S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5. This is the value of S. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 raised to power S plus 5 raised to power S is equal to 40. Then this is 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 must be equal to 40. this is the same thing as 5 raised to power 1 plus log 4 base 5 plus 5 raised to power 1 plus log 4 base 5 must be equal to 40. 5 raised to power 1, this is 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 plus 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power log 4 base 5 must be equal to 40. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to a. B. Therefore, we have 5 multiplied by the whole of this is 4 plus 5 multiplied by the whole of this is 4 must be equal to 40. 5 times 4, this is 20 plus 20 must be equal to 40. And of course, 20 plus 20, this is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. Now, let us solve this using another method called method 2. That is, from here, from 5 raised to power s is equal to 20. Let us take the natural logarithm on both sides of this equation. Ln of 5 raised to power s is equal to ln of 20. Then you can solve this in less than 30 seconds. That is, here will be x ln of 5 is equal to ln of 20. Let's divide both sides by ln of 5. This divided by ln of 5. This ln of 5 cancel this ln of 5. X is equal to ln of 20 over ln of 5. And if you press your calculator, S is equal to 1.8613. Then if you check, we have 5 raised to power 1.8613. This is equal to 19.9983, and this is approximately equal to 20. But if you expand this further, we have S is equal to ln of 20 can be written as ln of 5 multiplied by 4 over ln of 5. That is, if you want to leave an answer in a natural logarithm form, S is equal to ln of 5 plus ln of 4 over ln of 5. S is equal to ln of 5 over ln of 5 plus ln of 4 over ln of 5. This cancel this. S is equal to 1 plus ln of 4 can be written as 2, ln of 2, then over ln of 5. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.